Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow unicorn. Let's start drawing. Let's draw the cute eyes. Eyelashes. Then its nose and a smiling mouth. I draw its hair, its unicorn horn, I draw her ears, I finish her hair here. And her 4 legs. Then her body. And I finish the drawing with her cute tail. Finally, I draw a heart here. Let's draw some hearts around. Now we are going to decorate it like this. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute unicorn, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, pink, red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, light violet, purple, and pink, fuchsia, red, mint, I paint the skin pink. Excellent! For coloring, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, pink, and fuchsia. Red, orange, yellow, dark green, a little dark blue, purple, pink, and fuchsia, light violet. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.